Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Google Gemini AI and Bard. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So Gemini represents an advanced artificial intelligence model developed by Google that goes beyond textual comprehension, extending its capabilities to include images, videos, and audio. This multimodal model, known as Gemini, boasts a proficiency in tackling intricate tasks in fields such as mathematics, physics, and more. Notably, it exhibits a remarkable ability to comprehend and generate high-quality code across various programming languages. So currently accessible through the integrations with Google Bard and Google Pixel 8. So Gemini is poised to gradually integrate into other Google services, and the versatility of this powerful tool extends to various applications, such as chatbots, virtual assistants, content generation, data analysis, medical diagnosis, and financial trading. Now, how do you actually use Google Gemini or Gemini AI in Bard? Well, this one is actually pretty simple. So first thing you need to do here is you need to visit their website, which is going to be deepmind.google.com. Now, once you've done that, it's going to load up the webpage. Just click on Explore More. And once in here, what we need to do is we need to scroll down a bit here or click on the Bard section. Now, under Bard section, you just need to click on the bard.google.com. And once you click on it, it's going to open up bard.google.com. And from here, you could just basically start using Bard as you usually would. Now, Bard works as a tool that you could basically ask questions on. Like, for example, can you explain Gemini AI? And from here, let's just press on enter. And once you've done that, it's going to answer your questions. Or if you want to basically perform some tasks, like for example, if you want them to paraphrase a specific section or a specific paragraph, you could go ahead and ask them. And you could also upload photos here or use your voice to basically make a prompt. And from then, they'll going to generate content or even generate a response for you. Now, typically, Bard right now is currently using Gemini AI, so you don't need to use, or basically you don't need to change any setting here. Just using Bard here is just basically you're basically start using Gemini AI already. So yeah, so this one is very simple. Just start using Bard here, and automatically you'll be using Gemini AI, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.